Hi, Alex and Joseph. This is Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Alex. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lions Roofing. If you type in Roofing Phoenix, these guys show up at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and beat them. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. I just found out there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I started creating these attack plans, just giving them away, and many people just take this information and do it themselves. And that's awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But I got to start off by saying I went through your site beforehand, and I don't know a professional way to say this, but this site slaps. Like, this is awesome. It's really, 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 really good. I'm blown away by it. It is so clean. It's so high quality. I love the images. It's custom with these little slashes going through. You have some beautiful animations that are subtle, but also when you actually refresh the site, there's animations that go through. The perfect font, super modern. Like, I'm blown away. I love this website, and whoever you hired is a designer for sure. Now, unfortunately, Google doesn't care much about design. What they care about is content, which is all the stuff that you can read and highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to start. And you currently have only 332 words. So great start. I would just definitely get yourself up to 1,500 words. If we go and look at these guys, you can see they have 1,000 over at Lions. So it's one of the reasons why Lions is kind of destroying you, is because they have so much more content. But when you get yourself up to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. You're also going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called keywords, specifically buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I actually pulled up a couple for you. Typically, you have to pay for a list like this, but don't worry about it. Like, just use mine. Feel free to pause this video and you don't have to worry about paying for the software. But I'll just show you what people are searching. So like Phoenix Roofing, for example, 800 people search that every single month. Roofing Companies Phoenix, 700 people search that every month. Roofing Phoenix, 450 people search that every single month. So if you're number 1 for just these 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of 1,950 people every month who want to purchase roofing. How much would that change your business? It would be crazy if you had 1,950 people who saw you first in Google when they're ready to purchase, right? So you want to make sure you have these keywords inside of your content. If I go and I search your page for Roofing Phoenix, you don't have it on there at all. Phoenix Roofing, don't have it on there at all. Roofing Companies Phoenix, you don't have it on there at all. So make sure that you put these keywords inside of your content. You can put it in the titles or in the headings. You can put it in the body. You can put it in your page title up here too. You can even save your images as keywords. So instead of logo, this could be Roofing Phoenix. And same with this one over here. This could be, Phoenix Roofers or something like that. So pretty simple. That's my first tip for you as far as content goes. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of relevant and trustworthy websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see relevant and trustworthy websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not selling pizzas. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You also don't need to pay for this. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. And it says you have 0 websites linking to you, but your website is built so well that you still have been found for 7 keywords. You're on the second page for them, but still, great job on the design of your website. It's awesome. Now, you have 0 links. What Lions has is 522 websites linking to them. So if I were in your shoes, I would copy them because these guys have done all the hard work for you. If these 522 websites are good enough to rank them, then they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each website the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own homepage the same way they did. A lot of times it's super easy too. Like for example, Angie, Expertise, Yellow Pages. You just click like join our network or get listed or sign up. You create a free profile and then you put a link in your free profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content and you copy all of their backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. But I still got one more tip here for you. It's how to show up in the map section here. If you want to be number one in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Phoenix Roofers was in. I put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. If Phoenix Roofers was in 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Alex and Joseph. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, awesome job on the design. It's beautiful. You want 1,500 words of content, and you want keywords inside of that content, like Roofing Phoenix, Phoenix Roofing. Again, feel free to pause this video. Here, I'll even give you more keywords. You can pause down here too. Just pause and fit all these inside of your content. Then take the websites that are linking to Lions Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Phoenix Roofers. By following these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. And you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. This is what most of your competitors are doing. If you decide to go this route, the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting it done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free tack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Alex. I hope this video was helpful for you, Joseph, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I will see you later.